Hello traders, welcome back to another training session from BestBull. In the previous video, we discussed simple mode in history. In today's video, we will be discussing the position modes in history. To begin, right-click on the history section and select the third option, which is position. This will provide us with relevant details. There are two main components we can observe: the monetary information and the buy and sell positions, along with their corresponding profit loss and commission charges. Let's take a specific entry as an example. This particular entry opened at 11 minutes and 36 seconds and closed at 11 minutes and 36 seconds precisely. Additionally, we can see the open price, close price, commission charges and profit loss all in a single line. This line represents the position you created and the commission and profit loss associated with it. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this session informative. We will return with a new topic in the history section soon.